This is the main software interface of SM230. After connecting SM230 with computer, open the software. You can see connected successfully. Firstly, take a standard sample of known thickness. Place it on measuring table, then click on calibration. Set the integration time and thickness. Sample thickness is 45. Set the integration time to 2, 5, 10, 20 milliseconds, etc. Set it to 10 milliseconds. Click OK. Then calibration is successful. Set parameters. This is substrate. Choose substrate. Set silicon as an example. Next, measure the thickness. Take silica as an example. Choose corresponding parameter. Enter the thickness range, 45 plus or minus 10. Starting wavelength setting. Alarm settings. Measurement time is the same as integration time. Then is the setting of measurement points. This is 5 rings. Set it to 3 rings. This is the range. We can set up 50 or 60. Here set it to 50. The interval between each point. Here set it to 3. Click OK. Save model. Saved successfully. Samples can then be placed for measurement. You can see that measurement starts now. Here are the measurement results. Then completed the measurement. The 3-dimensional diagram. Click it. This is 3-dimensional diagram. Click the point bitmap to return. Here is the result of our measurement. We can see minimum value, maximum value, average value, standard deviation, model information that measured. If we want to measure another sample, we just need to change the parameter information of substrate. Then the thickness information. Here is the basic operation of SM230 software.